Hey YouTube, this is a Nissan Altima Coupe 2008. This came with the Bose sound system. You can see here, this radio is not from the factory. It's an aftermarket radio, 7-inch display screen, Android, made by a company called ATOTO. The model is the A6 Premium. I'll add some links down to the description below, so you guys can see where I bought it and how much. This unit here is about $200, so it's a pretty good price for all the features that it comes with. 100% touchscreen here. Along with that, you see I added my own background here. You guys are wondering too, what are these two little dongles here? So these are USB. It comes with two external USB inputs here that you can add, USB drives or to charge your phone, which I did. So this one here, I left it unused. The other one I have hooked up here. You can see between my seats. It's for my car charger. Along with that, here, this is the a bass knob. This does not come with the radio. I actually added a powered subwoofer to the sound system. What's really cool about this is it 100% integrates with the factory Bose sound system, along with giving you the ability to add a subwoofer, which I did. I wanted to add a little more punch to my music. Here, you see here, I'm playing the volume here, and that's from my steering wheel controls. So this radio also integrates with your steering wheel, not 100%, but close enough to where it's functional. So these three buttons here, source, the search forward, backwards, along with the volume, it works. The only thing that does not work is the hands-free from the factory, but that's okay because the ATOTO has a built-in mic along with an external mic, which I installed here. So this is Bluetooth. So you do lose the factory hands-free on the steering wheel, but it's all right because this radio will just fill that gap. Otherwise, been pretty happy with this radio. It's, if you're tight on budget like me or cheap like me, so you want to buy the steering wheel adapter, I found a way to integrate the steering wheel controls with this ATOTO here without paying I think it's about $60 or so, but I'm pretty happy with it. And here, I'm still undecided if I'm gonna leave this hanging or should I just hide it, be a little more discreet about it, kind of similar to my bass knob here. Bass knob did not come with the radio. It came with my powered subwoofer, which I'll show you guys in about a minute or so. The powered subwoofer in the back trunk. Otherwise, here's a radio, ATOTO A6 Android. Let's play some music to see what it sounds like for you guys. The backup camera, which I installed myself. I'll add the descriptions and a link. If you guys want to see more, let me know. But this is a budget system here that I'm pretty happy with. Later.